This is Zero Mike Delta bringing you some information on your dream gun, the WER5C. This came from Vincent's Hobby Shop via johnsairsoft.com. And right now I'm going to show you what's in the box. The box is pretty neat. It contains the product manual, R5C Air. Inside is the parts assembly, the internal parts. Here we can see the full details of the internals and also the externals. Pretty neat. Looks nice. R5C Air. Okay, let's put it aside. And here is the mug that comes along with it. I think it can carry around 30 plus 1 BBs if I'm not mistaken. And at the bottom you can see the nozzle where we can put gas to power up the gun. Also the BB loader, which can load I think 15 BBs one time into the mag. And then the rails that comes along with it. I believe there are some Allen screws. Okay, let's proceed to the gun itself. Let's unwrap this thing. I'm excited. I'm using one hand now, so pardon me. And here it is. Wow, isn't it amazing? Looks like real. And that is my gun. Here are the things included along with the box. The armorer's wrench, where you can use to which you can use to modify your gun, and also the rails and the small Allen wrench which you can adjust the hop up, and that's it. It's actually quite heavy and sturdy too. Nicely done. Good aesthetics. On the left side, let's see. There is no marking. Just plain and simple. It's the open bolt type. Looks like real. And it has removable metal flip-up front and rear sides. Very nice. And 3-position sliding collapsible rear stock with a shortened buffer tube. Great. That's it. We'll continue this on my next video for the review. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.